All right, Ki, let's do a just quick letter ID review. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, S, T, Q, R, U, V, W, X, should be quick, Y, Z. Let's do our letter sounds. Vowel or consonant, consonant. S, vowel or consonant, consonant. B, consonant. Vowel. H, consonant. Z, consonant. F, consonant. D, consonant. Remember D, diaper in the back. X, consonant. W, consonant. V, consonant. T, consonant. Eh, like elephant. Vowel. L, consonant. I, consonant. Oh wait, I, vowel, sorry. Consonant. P, consonant. Ah, vowel. G, consonant. Consonant. K, consonant. Ah, vowel, because that has two sounds, remember. J, consonant. Qu, consonant. K, consonant. Now, what's the other sound that makes K? K. Very, very good. Remember, we see C before an A or an O. All right, good job, guys. All right, let's go over we're just going to read our red words for fluency. When you're at home, make sure you chop them. She, enunciate. Do, is, to, they, see, what, where, why, who, all, no, in, was, am, are, at, so, my, and, me, a, go, for, will, look, I, it, up, come, we, said, for, and, from, this, love, look, like, those words should be coming out, he, have, the, your, that, had. Good job, Ki parents. They should be reading them that quickly. We've been doing them a long time. All right, next video. We're going to be reading and writing CVC words, so go get a notebook paper or a piece of blank paper. You need paper for the next lesson. Bye. All right, Ki, we're going to sound out CVC words, and then we're going to write CVC words. So make sure you go get a pencil, paper, a dry erase board, or whatnot. So pause this video, press the button that looks like an equal sign standing up, and go get what you need. Any piece of paper and a pencil. All right, pause it. All right, you guys are back? All right, let's sound out first. Remember the vowels in the middle for these words. The consonants are in the beginning and end. Make sure you stress that vowel. So, mama, mom. Now, if you could read it faster than me, just read it faster. Dog, dog. Make sure you do that ending sound. You will see Mrs. Ingenito make your mistakes. Log, log. Lid, lid. Lip, lip. Jet, jet. Hat, hat. Bed, bed. Thin, thin. Squeeze that I. Pin, pin. Good job. Push that U up. Bug, bug. Don't be scared. Let me hear you. Sub, sub. Jam, jam. We see that chunky monkey, so we could do jam. That's another way to do it, right? Wig, wig. Web, web. Watch that E, push it out. Pop, pop. You're a beast. Keep going. Pot, pot. Fan, fan. Good job. So those were our words. So now we're gonna write CVC words, okay? So we're gonna come back and write CVC words. Make sure you have your pencil and paper. We're gonna come back in our next video and read these CVC words more fluently and talk about real and nonsense words, okay? So here, what is this, K.I.? That's a what? Pot. Say pot. Say pot. Hands up. Let's sound it out. P-A-T. Hit it. Pot. Again. P-A-T. Hit it. Pot. All right, get your pencil. P. What letter? P. Lowercase p, no uppercase. P. Ah. What letter? O. Good. Pa. T. What's our ending sound? T. Good job. Pot. Pot. Let's do another one. Ooh, so cute. Ready? What is this? What is that? That's a what? Cub. Say cub. Say cub. Hands up. Let's sound it out. Cub. 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 All right, cup, like cat. What letter? No, not K. C. Good job. What vowel do we push up? U. Good job, baby boy, baby girl. Cub. What's my ending sound? B. Now, B has a belly. Cub. Cub. All right, Mrs. Ingenito's not going to erase it. Okay, do another word over here. Okay, so this, do you remember the diff? That's a pot. That's a what? Pan. Say pan. Say pan. Hands up, let's sound it out. Pan. Again, pan. All right, what's my beginning sound? First sound, P. Lowercase, no uppercase. A, around, up and down, no ball and stick. Pan, what letter? N, like narwhal. Pan, and just like that, we wrote pan. Good job. Ooh, next one's for Dominic Can Say So. What is that, guys? Jet. Say jet. Hands up. Say jet. Hands up. I know some of you don't have your hands up. Let's sound it out. Jet. Jet. 3 letters. So j. What letter? J, lowercase, hangs down low by the toe. That vowel, like elephant. E, jet, T. And just like that, jet. Sorry, got a Google Hangouts call. Remember, all these words have a consonant, then a vowel in the middle, and then a consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, let me move these pictures. Okay. Consonant, vowel, Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? Let's do two more. Okay? Say vet. Say vet. Hands up. Let's sound it out. V, t, vet. Again. V, t, vet. So three letters. V. What letter? V. What vowel? E. T. What letter? T. And just like that, vet. We write what we hear with no fear. Vet. Okay? You should be writing these and checking your words. Next, rug. Okay? Say rug. Say rug. Hands up. Let's sound it out. Rug. All right, let's write what we hear. What letter? R. What letter? What vowel? U. G. What consonant? G. Now, G hangs down low by the toe. I should see no uppercase letters. Rug. Okay, so now I'm going to move my picture cards and see if I could just read them fluently. Vet, rug, pot, cub, pan, jet. Now, each time I read it, it should be faster. Vet, rug, pot, cub, pan, jet. Again, vet, rug, pot, cub, pan, jet. How'd you do? Check your work. Check your work. Did you spell them right? Parents, remember, pause this video if I'm going too fast. I don't really know the speed to go. Good job, Ki. Now the next video, we are going to be writing sentences using our red words and CVC words. All right? So you still need your paper. Bye. All right, Ki, do you have your notebook and your pencil? If you don't have your notebook and pencil, you need it. Go get it right now. Take your time. Pause the video. Take your time. But if mommy and daddy are busy, don't bother them. You can go get a piece of paper and pencil or crayon by yourself. We're going to practice writing 3 sentences, okay? All right. You're back? Good job, Lovey. All right. I'm going to say, let's do 3 sentences today. I'm going to say the sentences really, really slow. You're going to repeat the sentence. I'll say it again. You'll repeat it, and then we'll write it, and then you'll check it. Ready? First sentence. Let's see how many words. The dog can run fast. How many words? Yep, 5 words. Let's do it again. The dog can run fast. How many words? 5. Now you say it with me. Put your fingers up. The dog can run fast. Okay? Again, say it with me. The dog can run fast. All right? Remember, our first word starts with the uppercase. A period or exclamation point or question mark comes after our last word. And in between our fingers, we have what? Spaces. Pause this video and try to write the sentence. The dog can run fast. Take your time. All right, you're back. All right, Mrs. Ingenito is going to write it. So the, T-H-E, the, starts with the uppercase. The, space. You do not want your D right after the E. Get your spacer if you need it. Dog, space. Can, C-A-N, can. I could do anything. The dog can run, stretch it out, space. Now fast, and then we hear st, like stop and Stella, period. The dog can run fast. Now you know what I'm going to say. It doesn't matter if you can write it. You have to be able to read it. So go back. The dog can run fast. The dog can run fast. The dog can run fast. Good job. All right, so Mrs. Ingenito is going to erase that. You keep your notebook out. All right, we're going to do another sentence. I'm trying to reinforce that st sound, S-T. All right. I have a good one. Are you guys ready? My mom is the best. How many words? 5. Let's do it again. My mom is the best. How many words? 5. Now you say it with me. My mom is the best. Good job. Let's say it one more time. My mom is the best. Good. Remember, my first word starts with an uppercase letter. After best, your last word, period or exclamation point, or question mark sometimes. In between every word, what do we have? Those spaces, space, 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 space. It's hard for me to show you with one hand because I'm holding the camera, but you know where your spaces are. So now you're going to pause it and write, my mom is the best. Sorry if it sounds like I'm yelling. Oh my goodness. I miss you guys. Pause it. Go write, my mom is the best. All right, you guys back? All right, starting with the uppercase. M-Y, my. This my body. So M, Y for my, space. Mom, mom. You guys know mom. These are baby words. Space. Is. Space. Now I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down all the way to the left. Is. I-S, is. Equal sign, right? The. The. See it so much. T-H-E, the. My mom is the. Space. Now, best. I hear that like elephant. So, B as a belly in the front. St. S-T says st, like Stella and sta. My mom is the best. What if we put an exclamation point? The exclamation point tells us to raise our voice. Sorry, parents, for my horrible voice. All right, now check it. Did you write it? My mom is the best. You know, it doesn't matter if you can write it. You have to read it. My mom is the best. My mom is the best. How'd you do? Did you do a good job? If you did a good job, give yourself a high five. All right. Last sentence. Practicing our red word sounds and reviewing st sound. So some of you have a chest where you keep your toys or your treasure book chest. It's like a bin where you hold things. So we're going to write the sentence. It is in the chest. Excuse me. It is in the chest. Say it with me. It is in the chest. Repeat. It is in the chest. So 5 words, starting with it. So uppercase I. After chest, your last word, a period. After every word, like the spaces in between our fingers, put a space. It is in the chest. Now with chest, ch, like chicks. C-H says ch, C-H says ch, C-H says ch. Yep, you should be pointing to your cheek, your chin, your other cheek, and pretend you see a chickie. Good. So, it is in the chest. Pause the video, double equal sign pointing up, and come back when you're done. All right, welcome back. So let's start with the uppercase letter, it. I-T, it. And you point to anything, right? It. I-T, it. Space. I do not want your next word is right after that T. Is. Neat handwriting, pinchy that pencil. No lazy handwriting. We work too hard on it. It is, remember, is equal sign. In. I-N, in. It is in. The. You know what? I can't remember if I said the or my. So you know what I'm going to do? If you wrote the, fine. I honestly can't remember. If you wrote my, fine. Okay? It is in the, now, chest. Ch. C-H says ch. C-H says ch. C-H says ch. What letter? E. Chest. It is in the chest. Now check it. Remember, the period tells you to stop. It is in the chest. It is in the chest. How'd you do? Good job.